Welcome back everyone. In this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily change the MAC address of your device using Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, let us check the current MAC address. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, now right click on the adapter and check the status. Go to details and here is your MAC address. Now let us change it. Go to Registry Editor, H key local machine, System, Control Set 001, Control and Class. Now search 4D36E972. Your MAC address is basically in these first 5. So check one by one and search for netcfg instance ID. We have to verify this key, so go to CMD and run it as administrator. Now type getmac and you will get your device ID here. Just remember the last 4 digits. After you verify the same, now create a new string value and name it as network address. Make sure the spelling is correct. In value data, enter your desired MAC address. Check the format and make sure it is 12 digits long. Now go back to network connections and disable and re-enable your network adapter. Go to CMD again, type get MAC and hit enter. You will see a new MAC address there. Give this video a like and let me know if you have any issue related to this video in the comment section below. Thank you.